Hey guys, welcome back on my channel. You know what day it is. Today is Wednesday salad. Today I am presenting to you a new salad that I've just made. I wanted to eat something fresh, something sweet, and also something salty. So I'm presenting to you the salad Nicole. Nicole is fresh, sweet, crunchy, and savory. If you want to know how to make this salad, stay with me.
What you will need is chickpea, green onion, cucumber, watermelon, quinoa, red onion, some prosciutto, and some feta cheese. For Nicole, we're not going to use any green leaf. We're just going to go in with quinoa, cucumber, red onion. It's more like a protein bowl. And then we're going to go with some chickpeas, green onions, and then watermelon. I really love to incorporate some fruit or something sweet in my salad. I think that it really adds a different taste and a different texture. And then you go in and you add some feta cheese, fresh grounded pepper, yum. And then for the dressing, we're really going to do it really simple with just some lemon juice. And then a drizzle of olive oil. It is really simple. It is perfect for salad appetizer or a salad meal. And to top it off, you add some prosciutto. I really love to use some prosciutto that I've previously baked in the oven just to have that extra crisp texture and that little salty flavor.
Let's taste this beauty. All those red onions are making me happy. Wow. Oh my god, this is so good. It's giving me like Greek vibe. Like Nicole is Greek. Her parents were Greek and she married an American. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish Nicole. I'm going to leave you on this. Don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and we'll see each other in our next Salad Wednesday. Bye guys.